Thanks to those like me that edit their pictures elsewhere and edit their video on CapCut. Now you can edit both your pictures and videos on CapCut in simple steps in one platform. Keep on watching this video and I will show you how to do this in simple steps, okay? My name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, how-to videos just like this one, and vlogs. If this is your first time of coming across my channel and seeing my face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to watch my video. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. I'll always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating videos on this channel. And if you're doubting me, please go through my other content to confirm this. In today's video, I will be talking about how to edit and make your picture look beautiful on CapCut in few steps. Please keep on watching to learn, okay? Without wasting any time, please let's dive into this video. The first thing we need to do is to download CapCut. If you're an Android user, please go to Play Store to download CapCut. And if you're an iPhone user, please go to your App Store to download CapCut, okay? Now, the next thing you need to do is to open our CapCut app. Now, don't click on New Project. That's only if you want to edit your videos. It's for only videos edit. You click on New Project. All you need to do is to bring down the cursor so it can open up to other features. Now click on Photo Editor. After you click on Photo Editor, it will bring up the option of all your pictures, okay? Now you have to select one. You can choose more than one picture. Just select one at a time. So we'll be editing one picture at a time. That is if you have a lot of pictures to edit. Now pick one picture and click on Edit. Once you click on Edit, it automatically brings your photo to the place where you see other options. Now at this point, you have to choose any options you like. There are so many options to choose from there. You have the filter, you have the adjust, you have the background change. So you choose the one the way you want it to suit what you want and what you're going for, okay? My go-to option I use every time I want to edit my video is the adjust option. That option, when you click on it, you see other options inside it. You can use it to elevate your picture, make your picture more beautiful the way you want it. There are other features built in the adjust option that can elevate your picture from 0 to 100. So you just have to try and choose what works for you. Now you can test out the different options in adjust feature to suit what you're going for, okay? After you have done with the adjust options and the adjust setting, everything the adjust have to offer, and you've picked what you like and it's to your taste, you can also change the background of your picture. If you don't like the background of your picture, you can change it and use a plain background that is available on CapCut, okay? There are some filters that is also available. You can pick the one to suit what you want and use it to add to what you did in adjust setting, okay? After you finish picking out what you want and you are satisfied with what you have, you can export the picture to save it straight to your gallery and device. You can also go to your gallery or device to check if it's really there. 100% it's always there, but you can check to see if it really exports. And my sprinkles, this is the end of the video. I'm sure you got value again from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. What are you waiting for if you have not subscribed? Haven't you been getting value from this channel? Please subscribe and turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified when I post a new video. Please don't forget to give this video a huge like. Like is going to help this video go up to other viewers. And also don't forget to share my video. Sharing of my video is very important for YouTube to push more of my content out there to other viewers, okay? Please don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Any part of the video you don't understand, please leave the question in the comment section. I will definitely answer. I really love interacting with you guys, and don't forget to stay safe out there and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.